Welcome back, gadget lovers. In this video, we are going to show you 5 kitchen gadgets that are worth buying. These 5 products are cool, so make sure to stick around till the end. All the links to the products are given in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful video. Ever found yourself struggling with a stubborn can, twisting and pulling at a can opener that just won't cooperate? It's frustrating, right? You want to cook something delicious, but your old can opener is making it impossible. That's where the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener comes in, a must-have tool that will change the way you handle your kitchen prep. So why is this can opener so important? It features a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel that effortlessly slices through any can, whether it's a small can of tomato paste or a large can of soup. No more jagged edges or dangerous slips, just a clean, easy open every time. But it's not just about cutting, it's also about comfort and control. The oversized ergonomic handles fit comfortably in your hand, allowing for a secure grip. The easy-to-turn knob makes the operation a breeze, so you can open cans without straining your fingers. Now let's talk about time saving. With the KitchenAid Can Opener, you can quickly pop open cans and even bottles, thanks to its integrated bottle opener. Spend less time prepping and more time enjoying your meals with friends and family. This can opener has earned a stellar 4.6 out of 5 stars rating, making it a top choice among home cooks. It's not just a tool, it's an investment in a smoother cooking experience. Don't wait! Upgrade your kitchen with the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener today. Check the description and click the link below to buy on Amazon. Ever tried to chop vegetables with a dull knife? It's frustrating and can even be dangerous. That's why having a reliable knife set in your kitchen is essential. Introducing the Cuisinart 15-piece knife set with block, your new kitchen essential. This knife set isn't just any collection. It features high-carbon stainless steel blades that are sharp and built to last. Whether you're slicing, dicing, or chopping, these knives make your tasks easier and quicker. No more struggling with dull blades. One of the best features is the extra-wide safety bolster that provides stability and control. This means you can chop with confidence, knowing you're less likely to slip and hurt yourself. Plus, the triple rivet design ensures that the blade stays securely attached to the handle, giving you total control while cutting. Time saving is another benefit. Prep time can eat into your cooking schedule, but with this knife set, you can cut down on it. The 8-inch chef knife is perfect for chopping veggies, while the 8-inch slicing knife is ideal for meats. The set also includes a 7-inch Santoka knife and other essential blades for all your cutting needs. The stylish wooden block keeps your knives organized and easily accessible, eliminating the hassle of searching through drawers. With a lifetime warranty, you can trust these knives will serve you well for years. Join thousands of satisfied customers who have rated this set 4.6 out of 5 stars. Upgrade your kitchen with the Cuisinart 15-piece knife set and enjoy effortless cooking. Get yours today. Imagine waking up craving the perfect breakfast, but facing the hassle of boiling water and worrying about cracked eggs. This is why a good egg cooker is essential. Let's dive into the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, your new kitchen hero that makes cooking eggs a breeze. Why is having a reliable egg cooker important? Eggs are a staple in many diets. They're nutritious, versatile, and perfect for any meal. Whether you enjoy hard-boiled eggs for a quick snack, poached eggs on toast, or fluffy scrambled eggs, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker ensures they come out perfect every time. This compact cooker can handle up to 6 eggs at once, so you can easily cater to family breakfasts or meal prep for the week. In just 12 minutes, you can have hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or poached eggs, all cooked to your liking with the push of a button. One of the best features of the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is its versatility. It includes a poaching tray and a non-stick omelet tray, allowing you to whip up scrambled eggs or individual omelets with ease. No more guesswork or waiting for water to boil. And cleaning up is simple. just toss the non-electric parts in the dishwasher. The dash cooker is also perfect for small spaces. Weighing just 1 pound, it's ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs, taking up minimal counter space. Plus, its trendy aqua color adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. So, if you're ready to transform your breakfast routine, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is what you need. Get yours today and enjoy perfectly cooked eggs with zero hassle. Never chop veggies the old way again. The OXO GreenLife Vegetable Chopper is here to change your kitchen game. If you're tired of uneven cuts and spending too much time preparing ingredients, listen up. This chopper is designed to make your life easier, letting you whip up salads, salsas, and stir-fries in a fraction of the time. So, how does it help? The OXO GreenLife Vegetable Chopper features a sharp stainless steel blade that rotates as you pump the handle. Just load your veggies into the catcher cup and start chopping with minimal effort. You'll get perfectly uniform pieces every time, whether you're working with onions, tomatoes, or herbs. And the best part, you can do it all without the risk of cutting your fingers. This chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to save time in the kitchen. With the OXO GreenLife, you can prepare ingredients for a quick dinner or meal prep for the week in minutes. The large catcher cup even has measurement markings, so you can keep track of how much you're chopping. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. If you're a fan of cooking but hate the prep work, this vegetable chopper is a must-have. It streamlines the process and makes meal prep enjoyable instead of a chore. You'll spend less time chopping and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Want to take your cooking to the next level? Grab the OXO GreenLife Vegetable Chopper today and see the difference it can make in your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy kitchen tips. Never waste time cooking breakfast again. The GreenLife 3-in-1 breakfast station is here to make your mornings smoother and your meals healthier. If you've ever juggled multiple pans to whip up a simple breakfast, you know how chaotic that can be. This innovative kitchen gadget lets you create a full breakfast feast using just one appliance, making it a game changer for anyone who loves a hearty morning meal. So, how can this product help? The GreenLife breakfast station features 2 upper griddle compartments and a bonus toast drawer. You can cook eggs and bacon at the same time while your toast is perfectly crisping below. With its healthy ceramic non-stick surface, you won't have to worry about harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA, which means you can enjoy your meals without any guilt. Whether you're whipping up pancakes, sautéing veggies, or even crafting a breakfast sandwich, this versatile appliance has you covered. But here's where it gets really good. This breakfast maker saves you precious time. You can prepare your entire breakfast in one go. That means no more switching between pans or waiting for one item to finish cooking before you start the next. The built-in timer takes the guesswork out of cooking. Just set it and let the breakfast station do the work for you. Imagine having your meal ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll have more time to enjoy your coffee or relax before starting your day. Cleanup is a breeze too. The non-stick surface makes it easy to wipe down after use, and it's dishwasher safe, which means less scrubbing and more time to enjoy your breakfast. This compact breakfast station is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who just wants a quick, healthy meal without the hassle. Want to simplify your mornings and enjoy delicious breakfast every day? The GreenLife 3-in-1 breakfast station is a must-have in your kitchen. Don't miss out. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and I will be back soon with another important gadgets video.